this video, I will take a deep look at Tana AI to help you decide if this tool belongs in your daily workflow. Tana is already famous for its powerful nodes and flexible database structure, but their integrated artificial intelligence features take things to a whole new level. The main strength of Tana AI is how it understands the context of your existing data. Unlike basic chatbots, this tool can scan your notes to generate tags, summarize long meetings, or even suggest new ideas based on what you have already written. This makes it an incredible asset for researchers and project managers who deal with massive amounts of information. On the downside, the learning curve is quite steep. If you are new to networked thought or graph-based apps, you might find the initial setup a bit overwhelming. Furthermore, the cost can add up quickly if you use the advanced automation features frequently. If you want a digital brain that thinks with you, Tana AI is a top-tier choice.